It was first presented to the Versajays by Mr. Kevin Adams over here many years ago. It was a great idea, one of your many good ideas that I'll make sure I tell your wife about after this. You're full of good ideas, my friend, and everybody needs to know it. Right? Here we go, one called I Give You Music.
Come listen to me. I'm just a common woman who feels the need to sing of love and peace and right and wrong. Give me attention and I'll sing you a song. To have and hold, richer than diamonds or gold. I give you music. I give you music. Just like my daddy did, just like his daddy before him on precious gift. There's nothing quite as strong as a feeling in a song. I give you music. Come listen to me. I'm just a lonely minstrel you can see. I am no worldly goods to pass along. All I can give you is a loving song. No buildings made for me, just lasting harmony. I give you music. I give you music. Just like my daddy did, just like his daddy before him on precious gift. There's nothing quite as strong like a feeling in a song. I give you music. Just like my daddy did, just like his daddy before him on precious gift. There's nothing quite as strong as a feeling in a song. I give you music.
Thank you so much. One called I Give You Music.